Let's start with the sub-assembly process. This is a one-time process. The boom base, upper and lower spreaders, and other parts installed will remain on the machine from this point on. This is the load moment indicator, or LMI. During sub-assembly or assembly, the LMI should be placed into the setup mode. To do this, push the setup button on the LMI and hold it for 3 seconds. This will discontinue the alarm and allow all of the control functions to operate when the boom angle is below 15 degrees. To install the boom base in the upper spreader assembly, an assist crane will be necessary. First, lift the boom base with the assist crane for installation. You'll need to clean the boom foot pins and bushings of any dirt or grime. Apply a coat of clean grease to the pins and bushings. Install the boom base using the shims provided to take up any excess side play as needed. Once the boom base is in place, we will need to install the backstop assemblies. Lift the backstops one at a time and pin the front mounting pin first. Apply a coat of anti-seize to the pin mounting location. Then pull the inner tube out as needed to align the rear mounting pin locations. Now remove the upper spreader assembly from the support box and place it on top of the gantry. For support, a wooden pallet is mounted on top of the gantry. Reeve the boom hoist cable through the upper and lower spreader. Follow the reeving diagram found in the operator's and maintenance manual. Then secure the cable to the wedge socket and pin it to the gantry mounting location. Make sure the spacers and washers are put in place and the castle nut is secure. Pay out the boom hoist cable as needed in order for the upper spreader to be pinned to the boom base. This will leave approximately 3 wraps of cable on the boom drum. Now pin the spreader to the bracket mounted on the boom base section. You'll need to take up the slack in the boom hoist cable by rotating the drum. Make sure the boom hoist wire rope is tight on the drum and is lying properly. Connect the 2 harnesses from the boom base to the main machine. One is for the ATB system and the other is for the boom angle sensor. Make sure to allow enough slack in the cable to boom up to 82 degrees without stretching the cable. Install the angle meter to the right rear section of the boom base. Lift the boom until the LMI angle meter indicates 0, and then set the manual angle meter to 0 and lock the pointer in place. Work lights should be installed to the top of the cab and on the left side near the top step. You'll also need to install the mirrors to the mounts near the lights. The smaller mirror will mount to the bracket inside the boom base. Install the red backstop locks to these mounts. They will be used later during the self-assembly process. The machine is supplied with a set of tools and 1 set of filters. These items should be placed in the storage compartment behind the cab. The operator's and maintenance manual, along with the laminated load chart, must be placed inside the operator's cab. Kobelco also provides a fire extinguisher that should also be kept inside the cab. This completes the sub-assembly of the machine. Please note that this is a one-time process. The machine will transport in this configuration. The total transport weight of the machine is now 99,970 pounds.